My name is Dr. Tristan Owens, physical therapist and injury prevention expert at Refuel Athletics. I started out 7 years ago as an injury prevention trainer and then also as a physical therapy aide. And then I also worked as a physical therapy assistant. I did that for approximately about 3 years, and now I am also a physical therapist. Most clinicians or practitioners, they react, they wait till you have an injury, have a problem, and then try to solve the issue. We want to go in and talk to you, teach you, educate you, and work with you before we even get to the particular problems. One of the best ways we do that is by, when we work with athletes, we make sure that we're very specific in our functional routines or also our injury prevention routines. Most particular trainers or chiropractors and so forth, it's more general. And so what we do, we create customized programs that tailors to your needs as far as nutrition, as far as corrective exercises based on whatever functional impairments you have. We do a full body evaluation. We do manual therapy every week to make sure you're healing properly and you're able to reach functional levels. We also do real assessments at the end to see the progress. Refuel Athletics help athletes reduce the risk of injuries by taking the athlete out of that 50% bracket of overuse syndrome. 50% of the athletes are functioning in overuse syndrome. That means that they're practicing prolonged hours. When they're doing their weight training, they might be working on the same muscle groups more than they should. Their body not getting adequate rest breaks. If they're a pitcher, they're pitching more pitches than they should in a particular game, which predisposes them to, or more susceptible, they become more susceptible to tummy joint injury. And so what we do is do everything we can do to take the athletes out of that 50% bracket. Once we take them out of that 50% bracket, it reduces their injury occurrence by 50%. We use different injury prevention techniques, nutrition plans, we give them advice on supplements, and we do a lot of manual therapy as well to help take them out of that 50% bracket. If you're watching this video, I want you to be extremely excited, because that means you are excited about your health and you're excited about trying to make sure you prevent injury to have a successful athletic career. So that's very important for you to understand that. Then if you have any questions, I want you to look down below and put your information in, your name and email, and we can send you some different information on injury prevention, just so you could just stay in connection with us and you could do things on your own, just to also kind of make sure you prevent injuries. If you have some questions, you can call us as well or email us and contact us, our injury prevention professionals, medical professionals. Be happy to talk to you and consult with you and see if we could find a plan for you or to give you some advice for you to help you.